Based.
Hello, my name is Maxine, and I'm an advocate for natural healing through self-care. I help people come out of toxic relationships and limiting behaviors. I'm super excited today because it is halfway through my fasting. And boy, do I want to celebrate me and the efforts that I have placed. There's so many times that I wanted to give up. There's a couple of times that I even ate an hour early, but you know what? I hung in there. And I'm here to remind you to celebrate your victories. Because if we're not our biggest fan, then who will be? Self-care. You are worthy.